Hello from beautiful Pensacola, Florida. My name is Kip Beaudry, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady White 370 Express. Take a walkthrough with us. Here we are on the transom of the 370 Express. You will see we are using the set point feature, which holds us on our spot for when you're fishing or if you're actually going into dock at port. You will see we're powered with triple Yamaha 425s, custom painted to match this Grady White hull color. As we step into the cockpit, the first thing you'll see at the transom is a very large refrigerated or freezer fish box. Off to port, you will see a very nice storage area, also access to your bilge area. On this 13.2 beam, gives you all the cockpit space you need. With this large bench seat, our sure shade extracted up above, keeping everything in here shaded for if you want to fish or just cruise. If you want to pull your tuna or large marlin, whatever that may be, or even just out for the day, using this portside transom door as a boarding or pulling those great fish in. Moving forward in the cockpit near the helm, you will see a Kenyan grill off to port, and off to starboard, a cleaning area with a sink and a faucet, and then a very large live well way off to starboard. At the helm, on top of a great captain's chair, you have great seating for all of your guests. From the port side lounge seat here to your starboard side seat, having a forward and aft facing seat is awesome. So we've made our way to the helm, which is the best place on a 370 Express. AC blowing from both sides, completely enclosed, sunroof up above, just ready for that foul weather because this boat can handle it. So we've equipped this particular boat with a great electronics package. You will see to start dual Garmin 8616s. Starting on the right, our Seakeeper module, which our Seakeeper is completely activated right now, keeping us stable. Our Yamaha joystick with set point, our Yamaha controls, our start stops, autopilot, VHF radio, fusion head unit, and our Lumar bow thruster. So you will see, coming down the portside entryway, you have a very large cabin, sleeps 4 to 5 very comfortably. So on the 370 Express, you have a mid cabin that sleeps 2 very comfortably. Moving forward into your dinette, you have a very nice large area for dining with your guest. Moving forward to the actual V-berth, sleeps 2 more, very comfortably as well. Off to the port side down below, you will see refrigerator, freezer, stackable, microwave up top, very large counter space, lots of beautiful cabinetry, great storage down below, stove, cooktop, and a very large sink. One thing Grady White is always known for is their switch panel. Easy to operate, very functional. And you will see here, everything easily labeled from your shore power to converting to generator power. You'll see in the head, very large, can easily stand up, shower curtain to completely enclose you so everything's not wet inside, just very well finished out. We would like to conclude this video aboard the 370 Express Grady White, and we'd like to thank you for watching, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.